Mule Runtime, Cluster Runtime Instances, Mule Runtime HA Cluster Overview, Workload Sharing in more detail. Here you can see Mule Runtime HA clustering, how the workload sharing in more details in cluster runtime instances in Mule Runtime. Because all nodes in the cluster of Mule Runtime engines process messages simultaneously, clusters can also improve performance and scalability. Compared to a single node instance, clusters can support more users, so improve application performance by sharing the workload across multiple nodes or by adding nodes to the cluster. Following figure illustrate the workload sharing in more details. Both nodes process messages related to order fulfillment. However, when one node is heavily loaded, it can move the processing for one or more steps in the process to another node. Here, processing of the process order discount step is moved to node 1, and the processing of fulfill order step is moved to node 2. Beyond benefit of such as high availability through automatic failover, improved performance and enhanced scalability, clustering Mule Runtime engines offer the following benefits. Beyond automatic coordination of access to resources such as files, databases, and FTP resources, the Mule Runtime engine cluster automatically manages which Mule Runtime engine will handle communication from the data source. Automatic load balancing of processing within a cluster. If you drive your flows into a series of steps and connect these steps with a connector such as VM, each step is put in a queue, making it cluster enabled. The cluster of Mule Runtime engines can then process each step in any node to better balance the load across nodes. Raised alert, you can set up an alert to appear when a node goes down and when the nodes come back up. Not all Mule Runtime engines in a cluster activity process messages. Note that each Mule node is internally scalable. A single node can scale by taking advantage of Mule cores. Mule operates as a single node in a cluster even when it uses multiple cores. Here you can see the message 1 path of the message 1. Here you can see the path of the message 2. Here the message 1 is connected to receive order. Order is connected to process order discount, and process order discount is connected to fulfill order. Here the message 2 is connected to receive order, and my receive order is connected to process order discount, and process order discount is connected to fulfill order. Here the receive order, process order discount, and fulfill order in the node 1. Here receive order, process order discount, and fulfill order are in node 2. Here node 1 and node 2 are in the cluster. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.